Beautiful friends, welcome to the garden. I am in where I used to have some beautiful garden. Look at this, look at this. Those are what killed the tree. It's not even the dry. Those bird or whatever they are, they're trying to lay. Oh Jesus. Lord, please help me. Help me find my place to taking care of my trees. Oh, everything is dying. It's not even the tree. And guys, I purchased those flowers or trees with a lot of money, and there was big trees. Look at this, guys. A lot of things are dying. Look at this. Dying thing. I'm trying. And every time when I come here, guys, my depression, I'm so depressed. Look at this. Every time I come here, I'm so depressed. Look at how many pots I just threw out. It's like this. It's a mess. Look at this. I do not mind. Look at this beauty, guys. And this tree, I don't know, for some reason was dying on that big pot over there, I think. And then I just transfer her to that pot over there. And look at those guava. Those used to be, guys, big guava tree. And gone. And look at all my beautiful flowers. I can taking care of them here. I mean, this place is bring me pain. What this thing? It's very painful. Look at a beautiful plum tree here. Look at how many things dead here. Look at a big bunch. Oh, Jesus. I know you love me, Lord. Please help your baby out. Things are drying and dying. And then on the top of that, before the cold kill everything, that big tree fall down on the top of everything, kill them faster. Look at this. Look at this. That used to be a big guava tree. I used to have a lot of big mango tree over there. And I removed them. I put them on the back over there. And of course, that wasn't helping. That make it worse. That make it worse. Oh God, please. I need prayer over here. That's why I do not like come here. But if I don't come, like this morning, my mom was coming to watering the tree, but all her chicken or escape, she had to stay to put her chicken back. I mean, I have to come here by myself, and I don't like being by myself. Here, look at this. That was a tree. Look at this with woods. I don't like coming here at all, guys. Thank you, friends, for watching.